The owners desired an airy home, with all bedrooms facing the backyard garden while maintaining privacy and security. As a starting point, existing trees on the site, including some mango trees, were mapped. Layouts were developed to preserve and integrate these trees, exploring the inclusion of archtypal Indian courtyards that would seamlessly blend into the internal spaces. The essence of the inside outhouse lies in the way it unfolds as open, with the boundaries between the interior and exterior gradually dissipating and creating a dynamic dialogue between them. The entire house is designed as a flow of spaces with modulated light and ever-changing views. Moving through the spaces and semi-open passages, one senses the expansiveness, flow, filtered light in the courtyards, and the sky above. The northwest part of the house, accessible through the vestibule and crossing the open outer courtyard, includes a veranda, gym, and spa. The lower common spaces feature glass windows connecting with the outdoors, while bedrooms have wood louvers and panels for increased privacy and insulation from intense western heat. The house structure incorporates concrete, mild steel columns, and internal brick walls. Internal flooring is natural mirrored Kota stone, while outdoor areas feature leather-finished Kota stone and granite. The inner courtyards are the heart of the house, and the layout revolves around them, separating the front and rear volumes. The inner courtyard, an archetypal Indian space where the living, dining, and formal drawing areas open, had to address security, rain, and dust concerns. This was resolved through complementary wood screens and exposed concrete, allowing breezes while ensuring security and privacy. The spiral staircase leads to the bedrooms and lounge space above. The design and execution of the inside-out house were achieved through interactive sessions with the owner, designers, consultants, and contractors, resulting in a collaborative effort.